Hi everyone, welcome to RK Digital School. In the last lecture, we discussed introduction of ChatGPT and what is the features of ChatGPT. Now we are going to see how to create the account on OpenAI to use the ChatGPT. Goes to the openai.com, then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, one new page will be open, and then click on the sign up. Please provide the email ID. So you must have one email ID if you are going to create the ChatGPT account. Okay. Click on continue. Provide the password whatever you want to use. Okay. Click on continue. SMS code. So I will verify the account by through SMS. Being click on the being puzzles, so it will provide the story. Use the arrow to rotate the animals to the direction of fingers. Okay, no, yes, submit. Then is this one is the direction of finger is okay. Verification completed, then it will give the verification code. Please enter. Okay, I got the code also. 79, sorry. Okay, continue. So now we have created the account, and now we comes to the on the ChatGPT. So please click on the ChatGPT. Okay, let's get it. So once you log in on the ChatGPT, so ChatGPT has a different multiple models, ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. Now we discuss here like prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is mainly we ask about the something about any of the topics. So we will ask a descriptive way, then it will give the proper information. So suppose I am writing one prompt. So I am 34 years old, and in a week I used to do 4 times exercise. Please provide the diet plan for me. Let's see. So see what it gives. What is the breakfast, mid, morning snacks, lunch, and afternoon snacks. So mainly whatever we have to ask, we have to give the more information. So like ChatGPT will provide the more descriptive descriptions. So that's the prompt engineering. We will see in the next lecture is more and more prompt and how we can utilize the ChatGPT in our daily use. So we will meet in the next lecture. Thanks everyone.